Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Zahra and welcome to my zahverse. Today we are gonna learn crochet basics for beginners. First we are gonna learn slip knot. For that you will need yarn. Let's get started with the slip knot. You will need a 2.5 mm hook. Let's get started with the slip knot. You take this yarn, take it on your finger, loop over it twice like that and catch the end. Take the first one to the second and the second one to the last, and here you got a slip knot. I know in the starting you will be like how to catch the yarn. So first you need to take the longest strand like that and just catch it like that, and the smaller strand you need to catch it like that with the second finger, and you can just loosen it a bit so that you can pull the loop and yarn over like that, and then pull the loop once and then again yarn over, pull the loop twice, and you can catch it like that and yarn over and pull the loop thrice, but don't catch this tightly. If you catch it tightly, it'll be difficult to yarn over and pull the loop. And fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, nine, and then 10. This is how you get 10 chains. I switched to another color so you can see it with more clarity. So I'm gonna make 10 chains. And you can see it's like a braid. You can see the design is like a braid, so it'll be like that. Now we're gonna do single crochet. Make the slip knot, pull the bar and make the chain. You can make 10 chains just for an example. And you can see the chains. So we should not yarn over for this. For double crochet we should just take this and insert into the second hook and take the yarn, pull the yarn, and you'll have 2 loops. You can see that,
and pull all the 2 loops together.
yeah, and that's how you have to continue. Just insert your hook, take the yarn and pull the 2 loops. Insert the hook, take the yarn and pull the 2 loops. I hope you understood it. And here we go. Practicing makes you better, so don't forget to practice at least for half an hour every day. And now we are about to finish it. Yeah, here you go. This is called a single crochet. So you have completed the chain. Now let's start with double crochet. So for double crochet you should yarn over like that. After that you should lift the 2 chains and insert your hook in the 3rd chain like that, and then again yarn over and take loop, and you will get 3 loops here like that. You can see. After that you take the yarn and pull out the 2 loops, and then take the yarn and pull out the rest 2 loops, and you should continue this process. Yarn over, pull the loop. Now you should not skip the chains and pull. You'll get 3 loops, and then pull the yarn 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 loops, yarn over and insert your chain, take the yarn 3 loops and yarn over 2 loops, yarn 2 loops, pull it, and you'll get a design like that. I will show you fully. and you're done. And here's the final look, how double crochet looks like. You can see that. Again, for half double crochet you need to chain how much ever length you want. After that you should take yarn over, leave the first 2 loops and insert in the third loop and take the yarn out, and you'll have 3 loops, and this time you have to pull these 3 loops all together like that. Yarn over, insert your hook, take the yarn, and you'll have 3 loops, pull out all the 3 loops. We'll continue this process till the end. I hope you understand that we should take yarn over, insert the hook into the loop and take the yarn. We'll have 3 loops and you'll pull out all the 3 together. This is called half double crochet. And finally we are done with half double crochet. You can look at it. It's similar to double crochet, but you have to pull all the 3 loops at the same time. For treble crochet we need to yarn over twice, like 1 and 2, like that. Can you see that? Like that, we need to do it twice, and then leave the 2 loops and insert into the third hook and yarn. Take the yarn out. You should have 4 loops like that, 4 loops, and then you can pull 2 loops and then pull 2 loops and then pull 2 loops. This is a treble crochet. I hope you can see that. Yarn over twice, insert the hook in the loop and pull out the yarn like that. You should have 4 loops on your, and then you should pull 2, you should pull 2, should pull 2. So it's called a treble crochet. So I'll just continue it and I'll show you the result. Looks like that. It's larger than double, but mostly double crochets are useful than treble crochets. Let's start to learn half treble crochet. You need to pull the yarn twice like that. After that you need to insert your hook in the third loop, leave the first and second, insert in the third loop and take the yarn out, and you'll have 4 loops, 1 2 3 4. You can see that, and pull all 4 together like that. You can have a difficulty in the start, but then when you get used to it, you can do it nicely. 1 2, insert your hook, pull the yarn out. You'll have 4 loops and leave it a little bit light so that you can pull it easily. 1 2 3 4. 1 2, insert the hook, pull the yarn out and then pull all together. It is similar to double crochet. Now we are done and you have learned all the crochet basics. So give a thumbs up for yourselves and keep practicing, and let me know which video you want to see next in the comments down below, and see you in the next video. Bye. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye guys.